Eric Cornacker for MMI. I'm standing in front of a Maplewood Duplex Rollforming machine. It has 6 stands on each side. The machine is currently tooled. It'll make a right angle bend on the edge of a sheet. This will go up to a maximum of 60 inches of sheet width. It'll go down to 12-inch sheet width. Typical use for this machine would be in an HVAC shop making ductwork, or in a light metal building company making sheet panels, roofing panels. When inspecting a machine like this, you want to look at the drive system, make sure the belts or gears and chains are in good working condition, the motor bearings are good, the electrics are good. Then you move up to the rolls themselves or the shafts. Make sure nothing is worn excessively. Next thing you want to look at is for the width adjustment. Make sure the lead screw is working properly. That's all you need to know about roll formers.